Okay, hello everyone. I just want to give us a short tutorial on how to attempt the assignment. So all you need to do is, if you have registered and you have already followed the previous video on how to get on the educational plan, all you have to do is get to the class project. So you go to the team project, the file Figma basics, you right click and you duplicate. So once you duplicate, you will see Figma basics copy. You right click on that, you rename. You use your name, in this case John Doe basics. Once you rename that file, you open the file. Once the project loads, you see this. All you need to do is zoom in, and then you start from section 1, frames. So you read through and then you try it out. So in this try out section here, they say select the frame tool and click and drag along the dotted line to create a new frame. So you select the tool and you click, you drag and drop. If you've done this, you have successfully passed the assessment for frames. If you see here in the assessment section, this is just what you're meant to do: create a new frame using the frame tool. The same thing goes for section 2, constraints. You would move over to constraints, and in constraints you would read through, understand what they are saying, and you try it out. Here they say resize the frame height. In the assignment, the criteria there is to resize the frame height below 500 pixels. So you move here, you select the frame, and you resize the frame below 500. You can see this is the height here, so below 500. If you've been able to successfully do this, you have passed half of this assessment. The second assessment is resize frame width to 240 pixels. You do that, you resize the width to below 240 pixels. Once you have done this, you have passed this assessment. All you have to do is do this and move on. You don't have to save anything, it automatically saves. You carry on with the rest of the assessments. You do all the tryout sections, and for those that need to export, like this one, you export the video, this PNG, and you upload it to the group. And here you must drop a comment. You just attempt, or everything is done in the tryout section. You don't need to create another template for yourself. So Godspeed, all the best.